right. Ooh. All right. So I'll start with the view then. So this is my view from the room. Okay, so we have the desk and the TV area. We have two beautiful beds. We have a chair here. Got a nice little closet, you know. Let's see. Yep, nothing special. Same as always. Little statue. Trash. Ooh, y'all already know. Yes. Got some coffee. Need that for in the morning. Got the bathroom. Okay. Toilet and the shower. Yes. Hello guys, good afternoon. So, today is, why do I do myself like this every time? I don't know what today is. All I know, it is the day after Black Friday. So whatever day that is. This is day one of my 3-day bucket. So, which is great. And then after this, I'm off for 3 days. So, I was off yesterday for Black Friday. So I was able to spend a little time with, like, you know, like family or whatever. And then Thanksgiving, y'all already see what a disaster that was. So, but yeah, so I'm back. And now, so today was really easy. We just did one leg from Chicago to Salina, Kansas is where we're at. I said Selena on the plane, and everybody on the plane was like, "It's Salina," but they were so sweet about it though. They weren't like mean or anything. And then I was like, "Oh, sorry, Salina," and then they started clapping. I was like, "Oh my gosh," but yeah, so that's where I'm at. I was under the weather. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last vlog. I can't even remember. Yeah, I can't even remember, but I was oh God, Thanksgiving Day was awful. I have no idea what happened. I guess I came over, like something, like I caught something, like a 24-hour something or something. I don't know what happened, but well, I was like throwing up that morning and stuff, and I don't know why. And then, like, I started to feel a little bit better. Like I don't know. I was like, oh, I don't want to call out, you know, like, I don't know what's going on. I was like, I took a little, like, Alka-Seltzer. I had took me some emergency, like, 2 days before because I felt a little something coming on. And then I took some Alka-Seltzer the night before, but it just didn't work. Like, that following morning, the day of Thanksgiving, that morning, it was just like things just got worse. I got the chills. It was almost like I came down with, like, flu symptoms. So, but usually when you have the flu, you have it for like a couple days, but that's not what happened. It was just like a couple hours throughout the day. And then like, so I worked my first flight. It took everything in me just to get up to make it. So I still made it. And, what happened? My classmate really, Rose, shout out to you, Rose, if you're watching this. She really helped me out so much. Because I just thought I just wasn't going to be able to make it. And then the second leg, I started to feel better. I drank like some ginger ale and stuff like that. And then I ate like a little bit of a banana, and that helped. And then, yeah, towards the end of the last leg, it was just like, okay, I was kind of starting to, you know, become my normal self. And then after that, you know, I still was feeling a little down, like I still had something. But of course, you know, all day I was trying to just get to family, with, you know, all the flights and stuff, being a fool. So, yeah, but then after that, it was like that night, I think I drank another Alka-Seltzer. And then the following morning, like, I was up, ready to go. Like, I had a flight that I needed to catch. It took off at 6:30 in the morning, so I got to the airport at like 5:45. 5:30 that morning. So, you know, I was like up and alert and ready and just, you know, kind of like back to my normal self. So, I mean, I still felt a little something, but I didn't feel down. I didn't feel sick, like nothing. And then today, I'm fine. So I still feel like my throat is trying to hurt a little bit, and like I'm a little congested, but other than that, that's like it. Like I don't have any other issues. I don't like cough or anything. I don't have like the chills anymore. I don't have a headache anymore. Like I don't have anything anymore besides just a little congestion and my throat. But other than that, like I'm perfectly fine. So I was like, good thing I didn't call out, because for one day, really, like, yeah, because if you call out, it's like worth 6 days if if you feel sick or whatever. So one call out order for being sick is worth 6 entire days. And I was just like, well, I have a 3-day trip coming up, and I don't want to just not go on my trip. So, and I don't want to use a sick either. So I was just like, I need to push through, and I did. So I'm so proud of myself, but I'm so thankful for Rose too. Like I wouldn't have made it without her. But yeah, so right now I am about to cook some food. Well, not cook some food, but warm up some food from home. My parents, when I did finally make it home, the day after, yesterday I made it home. Yesterday morning, when I made it home or whatever, I was able to get some Thanksgiving dinner from my parents. So I packed some lunch for that. So that'll last me for this 3-day trip or whatever, which is great. So I don't have to spend any money. However, my captain was just like, hey, you want to go grab something to eat for dinner tonight? I was like, ugh. So why you want to do this to me? I was just supposed to chill in my room. My mom was like, you need to just lay down. Don't do anything. And that's what I was going to do. But it's a Mexican restaurant right across the street from my room. And I love Mexican food. I'm a sucker for Mexican food. So I think I'm going to go get some Mexican food. I think I'm just going to eat lunch, what I already have prepared. Because it's only noon. It's 12:30. And he wants to meet at 5:30. So I'll eat me something now for lunch. And then by the time I get my food, maybe around 6 o'clock or so, then, I'll be straight. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to take some more medicine tonight so I can make sure that I'm just like, it's all out. It needs to be gone. I don't need to be sick. I don't need nothing. I don't need no problems. I like to keep good reliability. But anyways, so yeah, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off these clothes and just relax and probably take me a little nap, because I'm sleepy. Yeah, we got an early show tomorrow. I think our report time is 4:40 in the morning, and we leave here at 4:35. Don't you just love captains that push it? I love them. So, yeah, I'll be going to sleep extra early tonight. But anyways, so yeah, I will catch you guys when I'm at dinner. Bye. Hi guys. So I just got back from eating. I know I was supposed to take y'all, but I just got so caught up in the Mexican. Ooh, it was so good. So, yeah, so my captain, it was just me and him. The first officer, she didn't want to go, so it was just me and him. We just went, like I said, so we just went across the street, got us some Mexican really quickly, and yeah, that was it. So we just got back. I discovered I'm trying to get like a little cough, and I don't need any kind of cough going on. I don't need any kind of sick anything going on. So I'm about to take some. I think these are NyQuil pills. My uncle gave them to me on Thanksgiving. When I told you guys I was in Albany, Georgia. Yeah, so my uncle, he had some like some NyQuil pills, so it's gonna take me some of that, and then that's gonna knock me out for tonight. Right now it's about 6:30, so maybe around 7:30 or so I'll probably be sleepy. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and sleep, y'all. Just sleep, because tomorrow's gonna be pretty. I heard tomorrow isn't bad. My captain just said that tomorrow isn't bad. So we have 4 legs, but the day after that, y'all, we have 5. Like, I've never done 5 legs in my life. this is ridiculous, but it's the last day and then I'm off for 3 days. So I'm like, okay, as long as I get to just go home after that. So tomorrow we go from here, Salina, Kansas. We go from here to Hayes. Don't ask me what state that's in. Hayes. And then we go from Hayes to Denver. And then, all right, so let's try this again. So we go from here to Hayes, and then we go from Hayes to Denver. Then we go from Denver to Salt Lake City, and then we go Salt Lake City back to Denver. So those are our 4 legs for tomorrow. My captain said, like, the first leg is like 30 minutes. And then the second leg, he said, is about 45 minutes. And then the last 2 legs, he said, are about an hour apiece. So not too bad, I guess. But, you know, it's still just a lot of, like, you know, like turning or whatever. But, I mean, I guess it's not too bad, especially, like, it's just water. So, like, so, yeah, like, just water. So if it's just water, then that's pretty good. Because I don't really care to, I mean, I can rush, but I prefer not to rush. I prefer to, like, actually engage with my passengers. But, yeah, so, like, today, like, I really got to just kind of, like, you know, engage with them, talk to them, you know, just get a feel for them and what's going on with them. So that's really how I like it, you know, to really get to take your time. But anyway, so tomorrow's just water all day. It's just fine. Well, except for the last 2 legs, like it's a little bit more than water, but at least the first 2 legs are just water. So something really, really simple. But yeah, so I need to go to sleep, you know, shortly, so I can at least try and get 8 hours. Try. I'm such a night owl. Alrighty. Well, this shower is calling my name. Say my name, say my name. Alright, so I will holler at you guys in the morning, you know, at about 4 o'clock, 4:15. I will see you guys then. Bye. Good morning, guys. I'm downstairs in the lobby waiting on my captain and first officer, just eating some breakfast. They gave us like goodie bags for breakfast since it's so early. I'm not really sleepy, but I have coffee out. But I need the almond creamer in order to drink it. Like, coffee is disgusting without that almond creamer. They have half and half. And y'all already know I'm lactose intolerant. So, alright, that looks like that's them. Let's get ready for the day. Good morning from the aircraft. So, right now we're just sitting. I actually got an alert from the app called My Radar. If you're a flight attendant, you definitely need that app. It told me, like, when I got up this morning, it said a blizzard coming your way, and it's gonna last for the next 11 hours. So, I have no idea if we're gonna get out of here. I'm sure we will, because right now it's just really, really windy. It's not like snowing or anything, so since it is so early, we probably will get out of here and we'll just head to, I don't know if we're gonna head to Hayes or not, but we'll see. I guess the weather is really bad there or something, so I don't know. We're trying to figure it out now, but so yeah, still see. Alright, I guess I'll talk to you guys whenever I get some more free time, because these are really quick turns, all 4 of our legs today. So like I said, we're going from here, which is Salina, Kansas, to Hayes to Denver to Salt Lake City, and then Salt Lake City back to Denver. And then we're going to stay the night in Denver. So if that schedule changes, then I will let you guys know because of this weather. So we don't know what we're going to do yet. Keep you guys updated. Bye. this is probably the nicest hotel I've stayed in. So this is the bathroom. It's really, really cute. Ooh, it's so cute. It's a mirror. Oh, look at this. Look at this shower. It's a beautiful tub over here. Then we have this little sink area. We have a little dresser, cupboard, whatever. Another one. Another big, beautiful mirror. Oof, look at this. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oof, fit for a queen, you know. Then a nice little desk. So let's see what my view is talking about. Okay, well, it's parking lot. Just parking lot. Alrighty then. Okay. Whew. So, all right. So finally made it in. It is 1:40. So we were delayed this morning, as you guys could see from my previous clips. The weather was really, really bad in Hayes, so we had to, so we couldn't go there. We had that leg ended up getting canceled. So what ended up happening is we just went straight from Salina, Kansas to Denver. And then we did Denver to Salt Lake City, and then we did Salt Lake City back to Denver. And that's where we're at right now. So we only did 3 legs today instead of 4, which is great. So, but we still have 5 legs tomorrow. So, yeah. But like I said, they're all still like short flights, so it won't be too bad. Hopefully. Hopefully it won't be too bad. All right. I am sleepy. I need a nap. I need some lunch because I'm starving. So, please tell me this place has a microwave. Okay, whew. Got scared for a minute there, y'all. Okay, so it has a microwave and a refrigerator. Whew. Got scared for a minute. I was like, this place can't be this nice and not have a microwave. So, y'all, I didn't like go through and show you like some of the little stuff. Like, this is so cute. So they have like the little makeup remover toilet and then the little makeup remover towel. And they got like hair wash. They got hair cream. Uh-oh. Dropping stuff. Got hair cream. And then this right here is body cream. Use this tonight. And then facial bar. And they also had another one right here as well. Then in here, have like little cotton balls and Q-tips and stuff. And they have like one of the little self mirrors. Then over here, they have bath crystals. This is the brand. And then they have a skincare soap. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna, I would like to, but I'm skeptical about getting in folks' bathtub. Like, if it ain't my own bathtub, I don't really like to get in it, but I don't know, I really want to try these bath crystals. Mom was like, bring me some. So I'm like, girl, I guess. I don't know, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I do. All right, so I'm about to head downstairs and see what they got to eat. So, put on this jacket really quickly. I'm a bit cold. The room isn't really cold. I guess it is kind of cold. I think it's just me though, because I got it up at like 74 or something. But it's still like a little cold. All right. Go down in my detective gear.
Wait, I gave you my heart.
Alright, good morning, guys. So we just finished our first leg. Today is the longest day of this 3-day trip. This is a 5-leg day. So we started at 7:10 this morning. So we are now currently in Salt Lake City. So we went from Denver to Salt Lake City, and now we're about to go from Salt Lake City back to Denver. We should be boarding any minute now. So we can make sure that we depart on time. So yeah, I'm just not looking forward to today. I'm ready for it to be over with already. And it's just got started. So I'll update you guys more as the day goes on. Delayed. Y'all, we are delayed for 3 hours. So there was like a huge like blizzard that came through Chicago. So came through Chicago what, like Sunday? Yeah, because today's Monday. So it came through yesterday, and then it started last night. Yesterday, something like that. Anyways, remember I told you guys we couldn't go to Hayes because the weather was really bad. So of course that weather started over here in Kansas, and then it went over into Chicago. So earlier today, which is Monday, they had a bunch of like ground delays and stuff like that. So that, and they canceled like hundreds of flights. It's like all over the news. So that pushed us back. Y'all, this is the last leg of the day. Like, this is supposed to be the 5th leg, and we got delayed. I was like, I was almost home. So, yeah, so we're stuck here in Salina, Kansas, waiting for, I guess, our time to fly in or whatever. So, but our pilots, they time out. I think they said at like 7:20. Right now it's like 5:30. So if we don't leave before then we're gonna have to stay the night here again in Salina, Kansas. And today is go home day for all 3 of us. So that means that we're gonna be working. We might get worked into our off day. Which one, I think it's like more pay. And then 2, I think we get like another day added on to our days off, or we get to like choose another day that we want off or something like that, since we got worked into an off day. It's something funky like that. I mean, I've never had this happen, so I don't know. But yeah, so we're here on the plane chilling. I was able to go in and like heat up my food that I had, so I was able to eat, because it's at the airport, y'all, is so small. They only have like a vending machine. Like, there's no food in the airport, none of that. So there was nowhere for me to like even try and buy anything. So luckily I was able to go to the back and get my food heated up. So now I'm just sitting here, we're waiting, wrapped up on the plane, got my jacket covering me, cold. And yeah, that's the update for now. They did just say that we might be able to leave at 7:15, 5 minutes before they time out. So I don't know, we'll see. So I'm kind of hoping that they do time out, so that we get to stay another day. So that we don't have to do like 5 legs today, and that I don't get in so late to where I can't even go home. That that is the update, guys. We are stuck in Salina, Kansas for the next couple hours. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what happens next. Good morning, guys. Yeah, excuse glasses. But so update. I couldn't get out yesterday. We taxied for like 45 minutes to an hour, I swear. So
in accordance with federal aviation.
okay, so yeah, so we got in late. We got in after taxi and everything about 9:30. So the flight I was trying to get on left at 9:10. So I had to stay overnight, stay in my crash pad, and then catch this flight first thing out. So this flight has been delayed like 3 times today. So oh well. So I finally got on. It was only 2 seats available, and I was the only one listed. Thank God. So I was able to get on. So I'm off for the next 3 days, and finally get to go home and visit family. So yeah, that's the update. And yeah, so I just want to go ahead and end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.